All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all have came to this video because you are wondering, how can I make money with YouTube? And it's pretty simple, folks. It's pretty simple. But I'm going to give y'all 5 steps to making money with YouTube. First and foremost, I'm going to start off with this. First and foremost, you got to have a niche. You got to know, what is your purpose for your channel, why you're deciding to do this. Are you just trying to make money, right? Like with this channel, it's all about pretty much for the most part, the money niche. So anything most of the content that I do is money related. So that's what I do. So the first step is what's your purpose, why you deciding to start this YouTube channel, and most content creators have that purpose, that reason of why they're doing it, or that drive. But it's important to have a niche, a targeted niche that you maintain in. Remember, like I said, maintain it, which means you don't necessarily have to, like if you got a channel that's on food, you don't have to just do ASMR eating. Let's say ASMR eating. You just don't have to do ASMR eating. You could do food challenges. You could do, food reviews. You could do mukbang videos. You can go to restaurants and eat. So you don't necessarily, you can kind of branch out, so your horizons, your opportunities. Because at the end of the day, YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, yes, you can make money. It's an opportunity. And I think that you should look at it like that. Yeah, I can make me some money. Oh yes, I can make me some money, but it's an opportunity. Number 2, and this is a big one because this is something that I would say that I struggled in the beginning. Consistency. So you really have to treat your YouTube channel like either a job or a business. I'm gonna say a business, and here's the reason why. Y'all watching this video right now, I just got finished purchasing this ring light. That's why you see my light right here is very good. There's no dimness. You can see me sharp and bright and clear because I'm looking right at this ring light right here. So in other words, what I'm trying to tell y'all is investing in your channel. After you came up with the brand name, which is very important, which is the startup, the cover, if you got a logo, I just use my profile, a regular photo of me, setting up your about me, letting people know like what your channel about, just giving them a general idea. These things are very important. But the second thing is consistency, folks. That is one of the big ones because that's one of the things that I really started off when I first started off, and I think a lot of times when you enter into things and you like, man, I just want to see success and this and that and make some money, you know what I'm saying? You don't really think about like, man, like, can I really, is this really worth it? You have all these question marks coming in, on the side of your head, but yes, it is worth it. But you got to keep in mind, most successful people would tell you consistency is the key. So consistency, staying consistent through the ups and downs is the key. And evaluation, is very important. You want to test the waters. When you first get started off, you want to test the waters. You want to see what work, what don't work. So that's what you want to do, ladies and gentlemen. So that is step number 2, consistency. And then number 3, this is very important. This is very important, guys. Marketing. You got to think about this for a second. You look at every successful business, big or small, they market. There's small companies probably, they're just starting off, or even if there's small companies that they haven't even profited $1 yet, and they still say, hey, look, I understand that, yeah, I got the building, yeah, I got the idea, I got the recipe, I got everything together. But if I don't tell my friend, my coworker, family member, I got this restaurant opened up, pass out flyers, go on social media. You know, we got social media these days. You know, you can tell everybody. You know, then you're really not going to have the success that you want to have. That's not saying no one might come across in the neighborhood, walk across the store and say, hey, let me see what this is about. But if you really want to make money, remember, because you know you don't want to. That's a high gamble right there. You know, that's not a smart investing if you don't have this mentality of marketing your brand. So it's very important. You know, obviously being a YouTube content creator, one way you can, you know, out of many social media, you can do collaborations. You know, I pass out, you know, you got business cards, you know, you can have a t-shirt. There's so many different ways that you can market your brand. You know, I like the t-shirt idea because, you know, you can wear a t-shirt yourself, to have your information up there, other people will see it. If you give your t-shirts away, other people, that's marketing right there. So other people will see your t-shirt. So I kind of like that method. So I'm gonna get to step number 4, ladies and gentlemen. And it's kind of crazy how I got this. I kind of went over these steps and I kind of gave y'all step 4 in the very beginning. Step number 4 is equipment. Okay, investing. In other words, pretty much, I'm gonna put it out there. Investing in your brand, investing in your channel. Because you got to think about it. These viewers, these people that are going to be coming in and watching your video, they're going to be expecting a production. YouTube right now, there's skits, there's movies, there's music. YouTube is not just a platform where you just upload videos from your phone, you know, or your camera, for that matter. It's really a platform where you can actually produce a whole production. And I think whether you're big or small, you know, or whether you have a lot of money or not, I think that there's still something you can do that because really it's about having that understanding that, hey, you know, I gotta have a decent setup. And it's better for me to invest in something than nothing at all. So this ring light right here that y'all see, this is not the best equipment in the world. I've seen higher, more expensive, but at the end of the day, this is a prime example. It's better to invest in a ring light than sit here in your lighting in your wherever you're filming at is dim and your viewers cannot see you. So this is a prime example. And that's why I say it's funny because I kind of skipped those. So your equipment, your mic, your lighting, you know, camera, getting a higher camera. iPhone's got good camera, but you can go, once you get some more money, get a better camera. So all of these things, you know, it comes into that investment realm, and that's step number 4, investing in your brand and investing in your channel. And the worries of why people coming in your video and leaving, it could be the equipment, it could be the mic. People can't hear you. The video quality is dim. And I would say when it comes to the video quality, other than having a good camera, is lighting. Having great lighting is like, I mean, it's up there. Because you can have a good camera, but if the lighting is off, it's not gonna do good. And hopefully people that if you made it this far in this video, man, I hope that you're trying to look at this as a business and you're trying to make money. My channel right here is all about making money. That's why I decided to make this video. You know what I'm saying? It's still money related. Lots of people try to start a YouTube channel and they already have money on their mind because they know that you can make money with YouTube. And to be completely honest, most people already do. Most people know you can make money with YouTube. You know what I mean? There's a few people that don't know that, but most people know that you can make money filming YouTube videos. You actually get paid per video. You know, once you get your audience built up or you get views, you know, you don't have an audience. If you don't have an audience, you get views for your video, you know, you can get paid per view. So you can actually make money with YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. So step number 5, and this is very important. This might be one of the most important steps out of them all, to be completely honest. Not giving up. Put forth the effort. Put forth the effort. In other words, pouring your heart into it. And things that you pour your heart into it, you got to think about this. There's a high percentage in life when you pour your heart You invest your heart into something, that it being a success. And you want to know why? Because the passion is there. So all the other stuff that I said, the equipment, the consistency, all the marketing, the hardships, none of that stuff will matter because you got your heart into it. And wherever you have your heart into it, you can go through them times. You know, so I would say put forth your effort, you know, and if y'all do these 5 steps, man, you will make money with YouTube. Just don't give up, put forth the effort. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, treat it like a business. Like, you know, like I think people don't treat YouTube as a business because they don't look at it as a business, because people look at a business as you taking your money and you like, you know, it's something costly, right? But with YouTube, what I've learned, and this is from someone that's been into it for years, right? And I'm giving y'all these nuggets. I'm helping you out. What I've learned is that you have to pour your heart into it, because you will give up. You would be like, why I ain't getting no visits? Why I ain't getting no viewers? Why I ain't getting no subscribers? I'm gonna tell y'all another thing, and this is like a little, you know, this is beyond the 5 steps to help y'all. Every subscriber and every viewer counts. Don't look at other YouTubers and be like, oh, they got millions of subscribers, or they got millions of views. Now, I'm an analytical person. You know, I like to look at analytics and study and evaluate. That's part of the evaluation process. But you don't want to get caught up in comparing your channel to theirs. The only thing you want to do when you're looking at other people's channels is learning from them. And that's another piece of nugget right there that I'm providing y'all. I'm helping y'all out like crazy right here. You want to bless people. You want to learn, like I said, from other YouTubers, other content creators. That's a blessing to you, because you get to feed off what you actually visually see. And I think about this, because a lot of things come in your head. You know, you have a lot of doubt. When you look at your numbers, you're like, man, my views ain't there. Man, my subscribers ain't there. But when you actually look at other YouTubers and you actually educate yourself, you know, and you feed off of that, it's free education. Just like y'all came to this video right here, you're trying to figure out, okay, y'all might be thinking about, you know, starting a YouTube channel. How can I make money with YouTube? You came to this channel. And I pretty much laid it out there. You know, I really honestly feel like if you do the 5 steps that I said, you will have success with YouTube, and you will get monetized, and you will get started making money with YouTube. This is Super Album TV, ladies and gentlemen. The niche of this channel is money. I started off the channel doing cash giveaways, and that's where my heart at. I just got finished doing the cash giveaway. Y'all can check out that video. If you're new, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a like. Share this. I hope this helps somebody out, because I know this probably at this point, YouTube is a high platform. It's a high traffic platform. So I'm pretty sure there's millions of people that are trying to start a YouTube channel, and they're interested in how can they make money with YouTube. I'm gonna give you another piece of nugget. You can make money with YouTube through affiliate programs, promoting products. That's another nugget for y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. This is lighting, ringing like I invested in with this YouTube channel is amazing, man. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. See y'all.